So by the title below, we are doing a shop with me video. I literally just washed my hair, so I had to throw this wig on because it's a little breezy, it's a little nippy outside, okay? So I ain't trying to get sick, so I'm just go ahead and put this on top of my head. Cause if I put a hat on, I'm gonna have my hair gonna dry all weird. So just put this little headband wig on. And so today I'm just gonna be going some grocery shopping, and so I'm gonna be doing some more kind of fall meals this week for you guys. And then this is what I be using on the daily, cause I ain't using my good stuff. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna be shopping for some groceries, and then I want to find like a really cute cardigan that's like thick. All of mine are like the, what do you call that? It's like that see-through, not mesh. It's like more summery though. It's not like cozy cardigan, so I'm looking for like a cozy type cardigan. And then yeah, probably some conditioner for sure. And looking for some stuff that's on sale for some gifts. Cause the way the holidays is set up right now, I don't think anybody getting nothing, okay? Nothing, but I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm just gonna go to Target and Walmart. Nothing too crazy, and we're just gonna see what they got. So if you're interested, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the fit. I just have like my little Old Navy jacket, this like romper one-piece situation, and my spooky Crocs that I did last year, and then my little Nike bag and y'all stand. So let's go ahead and do this. Hey guys, so they had Christmas in all the stores. So this would be like a really cute Christmas gift. It was $11.99. It's like a little soap set, but I actually ended up getting the gingerbread set that I'm about to show you guys, and this was $7.99. It's like a total body care. I got it for myself just because it was $7.99, okay? And then they had this spooky Minnie Mouse, I believe. She was $19.99. And then they also had these Mickey Mouse blankets that were like Christmassy, and I'm debating on going back and getting some because that is my son's Christmas theme, is that he'll be getting Mickey Mouse or Disney themed ornaments for his Christmas tree. So I thought it was super cute. This was $14.99, and then they had these pillows, I believe that were $16.99. You guys will see the price in a minute, but they had a lot of cute blankets and pillows, so y'all should check out Burlington. Walmart, Target didn't have much, but I always like going in their cookbook section. I definitely want to get these Disney Parks cookbooks and recreate some of these dishes. I have the Nightmare Before Christmas cookbook that's entertainment, and it's not the one that's on this shelf, but I'll show you guys a little bit later in the clip. Child, they had all kinds of spooky Halloween cookbook, so I was entertained by it. I was also debating if I should get candy now because my son's school has a trunk or treat, but I ended up not getting anything because I knew Walmart had it a little bit cheaper, so I just went ahead and got him some stuff for trick-or-treating is what I got. And I got me some snacky snacks to hold me over through Walmart, because you can't go grocery shopping while you hungry. It's just never gonna go right, ever. Alright guys, so I just left Target in Burlington. It was cool. It's just way too many people in there, and then I had to give me a little snacky. The sweet and hot is the way to go if you're getting any type of jerky, period. And some little creepy collars. But I got some Christmas gifts, some birthday gifts, and now I'm about to go grocery shopping. And I got a Halloween costume. It's been successful so far. Let me put my car on. But I'm about to go to Walmart, and I'm gonna see you guys in there. Oh, my skin is skinny, baby. Okay. What the heck? All right, guys. So I just came back from the store, and I wanted to show you guys what I got, just from Burlington and stuff. So from Burlington, I got this little bluey tracksuit, and it was only $10.99. It's super good quality. I feel like at Target this would have been like 27 bucks, so that was a steal. He's gonna be 3 this year, so I always get the size up, especially when it comes to like jackets, so the next year he's not like growing out of it, and he's just a big baby anyways. But his birthday theme this year is bluey, so I thought it would be really cute to have some clothing that's bluey, and maybe like have it displayed on like the present table and stuff like that. So got this, super cute. Oh, and his Halloween costume, I got this at Target because he told me he wanted to be a dinosaur this year. So it looks just like this. Can y'all see? Yeah. So it looks a little big. This is like the last one. So to maximize glowing effect, place. Oh, it glows in the dark. That is awesome. I'll have to double check the facts there. Or matter of fact, let's go to the bathroom right now. Okay, double check the glows. Facts. It glows. I didn't even know that. Okay, that's cute. Y'all couldn't catch it on the camera, but it glows. I see the vibes. I see it. So that's a cute little bonus. I guess it's worth 25 bucks. It's a little costume, you know. But anyways, I'm about to prep my rotisserie chickens. I got a traditional and a lemon pepper one. I'm gonna shred those up because like I said earlier, I'm gonna be doing a lot of cooking meals for you guys this week, and I just want to be fully prepared because I'm working a lot of hours this week, and I just want to be able to get you what you need, do what my goal is, and be able to work at the same time and not feel burnt out. So yeah, that's what y'all about to see. So continue watching, okay? If y'all rocking with your girl, go ahead and give your girl a comment and a like. It's free, okay? Let's go. I did also want to mention that you can save the rotisserie bones and make a bone broth. I'm going to do a video on this a little bit later, but I think it's always easier to shred a rotisserie chicken before you put it in the refrigerator because it gets really hard. So that's what I'm doing here, okay? All right, guys, so I am all over the place again. I just finished doing the chicken, and so and prepping everything, but I didn't feel like, yeah, I didn't want to see me cut up carrots and celery and stuff for out. If you do, let me know. I'll do that next week with y'all. But I feel like y'all didn't want to see that. So now I'm about to pick up this and just like end the video here. Be tuned if y'all want to see what I got in my grocery haul. Be tuned to my shorts, and I'll do a video for you guys there. But yeah, I'm hoping y'all liking the vibes. I'm liking the little clip. Shout out to this was 20, actually I think this was like $18 on Amazon, this little headband wig. But I'm about to go through these clothes and stuff, like his whole closet. Like, I'll show you guys. Hold on. Like, this is all his like winter stuff, and I feel like he just needs a little bit of spice, like some basics, like a little bit more of like a pack of like black long. So these are still 3T, so he can fit it, but I'm gonna get him some 5T because he'll be 3 this year. So I always get like 2 sizes up so he can have it for a long time. Like, these are 4T, all his Old Navy jackets are 4T, and I believe this one is also, let me see, yeah, this is a 4 also, but like this is gonna be in like a case when it's done, because it's just so cute and like real leather, and just, it's a vibe for sure. So yeah, he has this much, and I feel like he needs a little bit more, and all the rest of his clothes are like in the dresser here that he has. So yeah, these are like pretty much clothes that he's never worn and that I just like pick up here and there. Like, this was on sale at Walmart for $2. So next year he has a firework shirt and stuff like that. And like, this was from last year. This was from Ross, I think, or something like that. I don't know. And these are all the clothes that are brand new that he didn't wear. So I use these for like,